Hello pretty dolls, welcome back to today's video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink videos. If that's something you're into and love, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification so that way you're notified when a new pink video is uploaded. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So as you can see from the title of today's video, today I am going to be unboxing and trying out some beautiful shoes and boots from CosyIsland. I am thrilled and very thankful that I am collaborating with CosyIsland for this video. So I have three gorgeous pairs of shoes. I chose them, but I have not actually seen them and touched them or tried them on. I was saving it for the video because I love these kind of videos that you just try on in camera. It's like a first impression. So if you're not familiar with CosyIsland, they have a website with tons of different styles. They have stilettos, heels, boots, sandals, and they are beautiful. What caught my eye about CosyIsland is that they are made out of sustainable products, and not only that, they are extremely comfortable from what I read on the reviews, and I am so excited to actually get to try them on for myself and see if they're actually really that comfortable, because they look really good on their website. So let's start off with this smaller box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Look how nice they actually package everything. I think that just says a lot about the company. They're even individually wrapped in their own little dust bag. Check out this first pair. Isn't it just so beautiful? I am loving this so much. This style is absolutely gorgeous. It's very elegant, very sophisticated. These are called the GraceLithe pointed toe heeled mules. These come in 8 different colors. They even have them in color pink, which I was in between either getting the pink ones or these, but I'm actually glad that I chose these because these are like a nude color that you can wear basically with any outfit, style it with any outfit. And I just love the fact that they have this beautiful detail right here, which just makes them look really elegant and different. And then they have the gold buckle. So pretty, and it's so comfy. It's like stretchy. The material right here is almost kind of like a sweater knitted material. Like, they are absolutely beautiful. I like how they have the sleek pointed toe and the stiletto heel. They have this like cushion, which you can tell that they are very comfortable to walk in, and these are the perfect height. These are definitely so pretty. I am in love with them, and they're just gonna look incredible. You can even pair these up with like some jeans, and it's just going to elevate your style. So check these out. I'll link them down below. Let me show you the second pair. And I love how they package each one of them separately in its own little dust bag. That's like just so cool. All right, I think these are the high heel boots, and I'm really excited for these. I also got these in a very similar color. Look at these beautiful boots. They are so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. I love this sweater like material. It's so stretchy, very comfortable. These are called the Minimalistic pointed toe heeled long boots. They also come in 8 different colors. I did get these in the color Apricot. And just in case I forgot to mention, I did get all of them in a size 7.5. But I am obsessed. If you can see here on the top, it has this really soft, stretchy, comfortable band. This is going to be very comfortable. Almost kind of like wearing like a nice, soft, thick sock. This is like so beautiful, and it has like that pointed style, very sophisticated and elegant. The bottom, again, really nice. And we're down to the last pair of shoes, so let me go ahead and open these. These here are ankle boots, and I got these in black. I already have some like very similar pointed boots, but they are so uncomfortable. I can't even wear them. They're from some other brand. So when I saw that they had a similar style, I absolutely had to get them, and I'm so glad I did because these are so elegant. They're so sleek. I love the pointed toe, and you can pair these up with like a skirt, a dress, or even some jeans. I love when my shoes are like pointed like this. Like, that's my absolutely favorite. And again, it has that really nice material that is very, very stretchy, comfortable, almost like a sock. So these are called the Minimalistic Pointed Toe Sock Ankle Boots, and I definitely can tell why they came up with that name, because it's literally like you're wearing socks with a heel, and they look so beautiful. These do come in 5 different colors. Like I said, I did get mine in black, and I'm so glad I did. Just look at these beautiful boots. Like, so elegant and very, very comfortable. So that was everything for today's video. I really hope you loved it and enjoyed watching this video. As always, I will leave you all the links and details to these beautiful shoes down in the description bar, as well as a coupon code so you can use for an additional discount. But I can honestly tell you that I am in love with these shoes. They are so comfortable, and I highly recommend them. If you really want to get a pair, I really recommend these here. They're just so stylish, and they come in pink. For those that love pink, these come in pink, but all the other shoes are gorgeous as well. So make sure to check out their website, Cozy Island. And as always, I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.